continue, next part. Upper limit Tzedakah Usha. Takanas Usha. Okay, so what does it mean? Despite the fact that tzedakah is great mitzvah, and it is considered praiseworthy, the more one donates of his money, the sages put cap on how much one may give. One may not give more than 1/5. The reason is that the sages did not want someone to become impoverished and ultimately need tzedakah himself. In chapter 7, we'll discuss the concept of greater details, together with the exception of this din. Din means law. Okay. So our sages, it's Usha, I think it was a place where Beis Din used to sit. Sanhedrin used to sit. So they moved several times. They were in Yavne, Yerushalayim, of course, in Yavne, in Usha, I think. So they said 1/5, meaning it's a safe, up to 1/5. It's a safe to give, but more than 1/5, it's already non-safe to give. So a person might think, yeah, I have 80% left, but as we said in the last class or the class before, so somebody asked a question. So we said, yeah, there is exception when somebody needs for a medical reason, or you need it for medical. Of course, you're going to give. Like you're not going to count 20% or 87%. You're going to give to yourself. So maybe the same in some like drastic, like out of ordinary situation.